Hi everyone, we meet again. Today I'm going to cook fish head curry. It's a Malaysian favorite dish. Fish head curry is very delicious because the curry is more thicker and also richer with coconut. So today I'm going to use the grated coconut. Okay, let's come and see the ingredient that I use today. In this recipe, I use fish golden snapper. It's about 1 kilogram. And 2 stalks of curry leaf, 2 lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 2 chopped onion, and 10 cloves of garlic. And here I prepare ingredients for brine. So this is a cumin seed. It's about 2 tablespoons. Black pepper about 2 tablespoons. Dry chilli about 10. This is fennel seed about 2 tablespoons. This is grated coconut about 2 tablespoons. And also this is coriander seed about 4 tablespoons. And the veggie I use today is lady finger. It's about 7. And tomato about 2 tomatoes. And here I prepare about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 2 green chillies, and also 2 stalks of curry leaf. So this curry leaf I'm going to use at the end of the cooking. And also don't forget to prepare tamarind juice about 5 tablespoons. Okay, let's see the way of cooking fish head curry. The ingredient that I'm going to grind, I'm going to dry pan fry. So we add all the ingredients just now I showed to you. There's a fennel seed, black pepper seed, cumin seed, dry chilli, and also coriander seed. Make sure the fire is very slow. In this fish head curry, I'm not using curry powder. And this is a really homemade cook. Add this grated coconut. This ingredient really make the curry more thicker and tastier. We fry it until we can smell the herb smell. Okay, it's done. I'm going to grind this ingredient. Okay, I already grind. And you can see it's really fine. can smell it's really tasty. Okay, this is the ingredient I already grind, and I'm going to use this for our fish head curry cooking. Pan is hot, then I'm going to add oil. Now I'm going to add this fenugreek seed. An onion, once you smell the onion, you can add the ginger garlic paste. We put garlic, curry leaf, lemongrass, stir it well. Then add tomato, and this is the grind powder. We add water. And we just leave it for a while. About 2 to 3 minutes here. It's really a good smell of okay, so after 3 minutes it's already boiling. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, the paste is really thicker, so I can add water. So I'm going to add water. About 2 bowls. And add salt. And now I'm going to add the fish head. We just leave it in for 2 minutes and we turn the fish. And then also I will add this lady's finger. And now I'm going to turn this fish. Okay, the curry is boiling now. I'm going to add the turmeric juice, tamarind juice. Two tablespoons, 3, and 4. About 5 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Then I'm going to turn again the fish. Make sure it's cooked well. And finally, I'm going to add this curry liver to stock. And also 2 green chilies. And we can taste it. The curry is really tasty. Okay, now we can serve the curry, fish head curry. Fish head curry is ready and it's really tasty. I hope everyone will try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I wish everyone happy cooking. See you again. Bye.